Now Bami show me one plus simple method long germinating pak choy seeds. For long you germinating seeds, you must ready him or prepare him. All materials for you buy need him long germinating seed. All materials all same. Number 1, a wooden box. You can use him all of cut timbers or you can find him close to the house below you. Number 2, soil. Use him fine soil where you can collect him underneath long forest. You can use him fine compost too. Number 3, seeds. Number 4, wara lo moisten him soil. Number 5, banana leaf lo karam up him seeds. Number 6, small stick long mark him half lo soil lo sow him seeds. Now you may go along all steps lo sow him or germinate him pak choy seeds. Step 1, plumb up him box one time ground. Level him good by straight. Step 2, mark him half lo sow him all seeds. Step 3, sow him all seeds. Spread him good all seeds so all no can pass too much. Step 4, karam up him seeds one time fine soil. No can karam up him seeds one time planting ground too much. No good, all not up germinate hurry up. Step 5, water him ground. No can water him too much, no good, all seeds by die inside the ground. Step 6, karam up him seed box one time banana leaf. All seeds by germinate 3 to 4 days after sowing. So this la time you can now rouse him banana leaf. And that's all. You can now try this la technique to house blue. Thank you and see you in the next video.